Now get ready as Sam prepares to remove the engine from the 1968 Buick Skylark. Here are the basic steps on an engine teardown.
We're going to be doing a 454 LSX swap in his personal 1968 Buick Skylark. This is going to be one cool project because we're going to be installing the LS Classics components onto this engine, making it look like an old school Fuelie small block.
Yeah, we got a whole assortment of them. We've got a 63 Fuelie, 56 Fuelie, 57 Fuelie. This is more in our 14-inch Classic, which is kind of universal. This one we kind of tweaked up to look more like a Buick engine though.
You know what's cool is until you look at those exhaust ports, you would never even think that it's an LS.
You don't.
It looks
You
just
really
like an
don't.
old small block.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool project.
So now what we want to do is we want to get this big hood out of our way. We're going to go ahead and remove it so we can get all the other components out and start pulling this engine and transmission.